In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add the current date to a cell in Excel. This is a quick and useful Excel skill that can save time when you are entering dates into a worksheet. I will show you two simple ways to do it. The first method adds a static date, which means the date stays the same after you enter it. The second method adds an auto-updating date, which changes automatically based on the current day. To begin, click the empty cell where you want to add today's date. Make sure the cell is selected before using the keyboard shortcut. Once you are ready, press and hold the Control key on your keyboard. While holding Control, press the semicolon key, then release both keys. Excel will immediately insert the current date into that cell. This method is helpful when you want to keep a fixed record of the day something was entered. For example, if you are logging a completed task or marking the date a form was received, a static date is usually the better option because it will not change later. Next, press Enter to move down to the cell below. In this new cell, type an equal sign. After that, type the word Today in all capital letters. Then type an opening parenthesis, followed by a closing parenthesis. The full formula should read equals today, with parentheses after the word. Once that is entered, press Enter on your keyboard. Excel will display the current date in the cell. Unlike the shortcut you used earlier, this version updates automatically. That means when you open the file on a different day, the date shown by the formula will reflect the new current date. This is useful for spreadsheets that need to stay current, such as dashboards, daily trackers, or reports that are updated regularly. If the date appears in a format you do not expect, that usually comes down to the cell's date formatting. The value is still correct, but Excel may be showing it in a different style depending on your settings. So to recap, use Control and semicolon for a static date, and use the Today function with parentheses for a date that updates automatically. Both methods are fast, easy, and useful in different situations. That covers everything you need to know.